The stiffness, tightness, and sluggishness is back. Fam, I got your back with this routine. Today, we're unlocking a 5-minute stretch routine designed to wake up your spine, activate your core, and leave you feeling strong, flexible, and energized. If you wake up with a stiff back, tight shoulders, or sluggish movement, this flow is for you. We're focusing on spinal mobility, core activation, and full body flexibility to help you move better, faster, and pain-free throughout the day. No equipment needed, just you, your mat, and 5 minutes of intentional movement. Do it anywhere, your bedroom, living room, gym, or even outside for some fresh air and sunlight. Here's the game plan. We'll start with downward dog to lengthen and wake up the body, transition into cobra stretch for deep spinal release, and finish strong with bird dog to activate your core and improve balance. Most people actually jump into their day without preparing their body for movement, and they wonder why they feel tight or sluggish. But not you. You are here making the effort, and that's a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you feel looser, stronger, and fully in sync with your body. Let's hit the mat. If your hamstrings, shoulders, and back feel tight, the stretch will instantly loosen up everything. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Tuck your toes under and press your hips toward the sky, straightening your legs as much as possible. Keep your heels reaching toward the ground. It's okay if they don't touch. Push through your palms, lengthen your spine, and let your head relax between your arms. Hold for 1 minute, paddling your feet if you need extra hamstring release. The stretch elongates the spine, decompresses the lower back, and improves full body flexibility. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter, longer, and more mobile. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the knees if hamstrings feel too tight. Advanced stretches, press your heels down fully and engage your core for an added challenge. Now that we've lengthened the body, let's flow into Cobra to stretch the spine and open the chest. Want to feel fluid, open, and strong in just one movement? Take a guess what we're about to do. This dynamic flow will unlock your back and shoulders instantly. One of my favorite. From downward dog, shift into a high plank position, lowering yourself down with control. Inhale as you press your chest upward, lifting into Cobra pose, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Keep your hips pressing down, shoulders away from your ears, and gaze slightly upward. Exhale as you lift your hips back into downward dog and repeat this flowing motion for 1 minute. This dynamic movement warms up the spine, strengthens the arms, and improves flexibility all in one motion. I promise by the end, you'll feel open, strong, and ready to move. Beginners, move slower and keep the range smaller if needed. Advanced stretches, extend the arms fully in Cobra for a deeper back bend. Now that we've activated the spine and shoulders, let's deepen the movement with cat-cow. Do you have any stiffness in your lower back and neck? Well, this classic movement will melt away tension and increase mobility. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lift your chest and tilt your tailbone up, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tuck your chin and press through your hands, cat pose. Move fluidly for 1 minute, syncing breath with movement. This movement improves spinal flexibility, increases blood flow, and reduces back stiffness. I promise by the end, your spine will feel more fluid and mobile. Beginners, keep movement slow and controlled. Advanced stretches, arch and curve for more mobility. Now that we've mobilized the spine, let's engage the core with bird dog. Want to strengthen your core, improve balance, and support your lower back in one move? Well, you're in the right place. This is the perfect activation. Stay in a tabletop position, keeping your core engaged. Extend your right arm forward, left leg straight back, keeping your hips level. Hold for a second, then return to center and switch sides. Continue alternating for 30 seconds per side, keeping movement controlled. This movement activates the deep core muscles, improves spinal stability, and enhances coordination. I promise by the end, you'll feel stronger and more balanced. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for extra stability. Advanced stretchers hold each extension longer for added core engagement.